there was one judge in Saint Lucie. He has a really funny name, and I'm dying to say the name.
That's it.
He was
a train wreck.
He was the craziest, one of the craziest judges I've
He
ever.
grew up that name. Come on.
He got into a fist fight at the election place.
Yes. He ended up punching
He punched his opponent.
I know. He was wild. And I remember the first time I learned about him, I went in front of him, and he also, it doesn't help that he literally looks like the My Cousin Vinny judge. Literally looks like him, okay? So I go in front of him, and I'm watching, and he's doing like the first appearance from the jails. He did his own for some reason, and you'd see these people that just got arrested the night before, and he literally held 5 people in contempt of court and sentenced them to 30 days in jail. I'd never seen someone do that back to back to back to back. So I remember like, well, this guy, so every time I went in there with this mindset, like, I need to get out of here. And I would call you, I'm like, listen, if I don't come out in an hour, you need to search the jail logs. I might be in contempt of court, right? And I remember this one lawyer that we know, I'm not going to name names, went in front of him.
Jesus Christ.
I get a call. You remember this? I get a call from the defense bar, because when a lawyer gets in trouble, the bar, the rest of there's associations of defense lawyers, we all get together and try to go help the lawyer. Nobody wants to see another lawyer go to jail. So I get the bat signal goes out, right? Blah, blah, blah is in this county in front of this judge, and this judge just held him in contempt and sentenced him to 30 days. We're all going up there to contest it. And I go, well, oh, God, what did he say? Like, what did he do? And the story was he goes up there, doesn't know the personnel, doesn't know the judge, walks up to the prosecutor, and he said, listen, I just need an offer on this deal. The prosecutor makes this really, jail offer on it was
a second-degree misdemeanor.
Yeah.
Tattooing charge. And the maximum 60 days, prosecutor makes an offer at 30.
Right, it's something like that, like a bad jail offer. So he goes, that's ridiculous, blah, blah, blah. He starts going off on a tirade, doesn't know the personnel. And, the prosecutors, when a judge is really strict and harsh and bad, they get strict and harsh and bad because they get away with it, right?
Balances out.
So he's like, this is ridiculous, you don't know what you're doing, and literally starts, degrading, the guy, berating the guy. And so the prosecutor's like, you know what, you could just plea open to the judge, feel free. He goes, I will do that. And I'm hearing the story. So he goes up for the judge. He goes, Judge, the state's being ridiculous, blah, 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 and starts berating them to the judge. And the judge's like, He goes, all right, so he makes his case, and the judge, all right, the maximum 60?
Yeah.
I'll sentence him to 60 days, right? And he goes, Jesus Christ! And the judge goes, what did you say? And boom, hits him and sentences him to contempt. But that's a clear example of dude, you don't talk. But just not knowing he was out of control and not knowing that he's out of control. This is a big thing,
Yeah.